Paper beading is an ancient craft, but many people don't realize that you can make durable, water-resistant, beautiful beads like these from strips of paper. What crafter doesn't have stacks of old paper sitting around their house waiting to be used? You can use newspapers, magazines, even old food boxes. Any paper that can roll can make a paper bead. It's one of the few crafts where you can spend just a little bit of money on some glue, some hardening glaze, and a paper bead rolling tool, and everything else you need is just laying around your house waiting to get thrown away. I've been working on creating a paper bead roller that is easier to use, takes the strain off of your fingers, and just feels better in your hand. Significantly better, but still affordable, and I'm ready to share it with you. Introducing the Pink Silk Pearl Handle Paper Bead Roller. Now this handle is made from corn and other organic materials, which means it's long-term biodegradable. So it's not going to leave microplastics and other nasty things in our environment for millions of years to come. And the company that produces this material plants a tree for every unit of material that is sold, which means our eco-friendly craft has an eco-friendlier tool. The design of the handle brings some balance to your rolling, allowing your palm to take on some of the weight while your fingers turn the roller. The elegant curve allows you to put your fingers in the place that's most comfortable for you. The pins are the same pins used in my original rollers, but you may find they're slightly longer due to the way they're attached to the handle. Two more improvements I know you'll love. The size of the roller is printed at the base of the pin, so you don't have to remember what color matches what size. And each roller can stand up on a flat, stable surface, so no more rolling away from you when you put them down. But the best news, I'm offering these brand new paper bead rollers to you at the same price as the original paper bead rollers, and I'm committed to keeping it that way as long as possible. I'm so excited to bring these new rollers to you over at paperbeadrollers.com. Head on over and check them out right now. Happy rolling!